Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. We are recording this session. How can we calculate the VAT? We got the shop, which has got like 15% VAT, 15%. And I want to calculate how each quantity or how each icon cost. I write number 15. Simply, I write 15. Let me type it again for you. Let me use the screen keyword 15. I write number 15, which is the VAT. 1 and 5. Okay, all what I have to do is go to percentage sign over here. Go to percentage sign, and now number 15 included with percentage sign. I want to bring the value for each item. How can I bring the value, Ms. Hiba? This is the value, and you can check the formula bar, by the way. Everything appears in the formula bar, as you can see. Okay, it's a simple division. It's a simple multiplication, sorry. Let me do it again with you. How can I calculate it? Okay, the price. Okay, shift number 8. Oh, I was doing in the wrong area. If you made a mistake like mine, always go under grade 6. Equal price shift and number 8 multiplied by 3 equal what? To get the answer, click enter. The answer is 600. So each monitor, the whole monitors cost like $600. Okay, yes, it's correct. The value is 600. For saving time, yeah, grade 6, I'm going to use AutoFill to do the rest of the documents. How can I bring AutoFill, Ms. Hiba? Move the pointer above here in the corner, the bottom corner over here in the cell. Okay, because I want to bring the same value for the mouse, keyboard, and other products. I do AutoFill. I move the pointer here and then I click and then I drag. Now I got the calculation done for the mouse and the keyboard, and you can check one of them, each one of them individually by calculating over here, clicking the value, and you can check everything in the formula part. In the exam, inshallah, also grade 6, how can I mark it? I'm gonna do it with the formula part. I got messages. I will read them later on. How can I bring a VAT? How can I bring the VAT for each product, for each item, yeah, grade 6? Okay, so when we go back to the ICT book, VAT will be like calculated individually. Okay, this is the VAT. You can follow me with your ICT book, pages 52 and 51. When we go back to page 51, this is how can we find the VAT, page 51 in grade 6. This how can we find the VAT over here. Okay, cell D4, 600 multiplied by the VAT, which is cell B10. B10 is the VAT. Okay, so let's do it. Of course, I have to start my equation with equal sign. Equal 600 shift and number 8 multiplication multiplied by the VAT. D4 multiplied by D10, 600 multiplied by the VAT equal what, grade 6? To get the discount, I want to get the discount. Oh, I have to activate my cell always. Avoid error messages. Enter. Now I got like 90% discount. $90 would be like a discount. $600, but when I want to pay, I got like a discount 90%. Also, again in grade 6, I have to find the VAT. I have to find the AutoFill, the VAT for the other products, mouse, keyboard, and so on. Now I got it like AutoFill. Why I got zeros? Okay, why I got zeros? Yeah, grade 6. Because he just like copying it. Okay, I have to change it. I have to do it again. Let me try again. Also become like zeros. He just like doing copy fill. I have to change this. Okay, I have to change this. And also, yeah, grade 6, we're gonna talk about these error messages. And also it's mentioned in the ICT book. When we go back also to page 51, we can find like why we get this error. Why we get this zeros. Okay, so he said something went wrong. Why are the rest of the cells autofill 0? Use the correct cell to multiply, but here you want to multiply every price with a VAT, with the same cell VAT. Okay, So we need to do it again in grade 6. When you want to use the same fill formula with AutoFill, put the S dollar. So I have to put the S dollar in front of the row. So let me go back. I have to implement S dollar between B and 10. So let me do it. I have to start again. So I'm going to delete this. Let me start again. Equal. Pay attention with me at grade 6. This is very important. D4 multiplied. I have to shift and number 8. Oh, shift and number 8 multiplied by 5%. I have to blend S dollar between B and 10. How can I bring S dollar, Miss Hiba? Shift and number 4. Now I get the S dollar over here. To get the result, of course, this I have to click enter, which is 90. Now I can use AutoFill. Now I can do AutoFill again. Move the pointer to the bottom, click and drag, and here we go. We got the correct answers. When we go back to the ICT book, we can compare the numbers, which are exactly 90, 11.25, and so on. How can I check it? Or how can I make sure everything is correct? I can check the formula part. Always go back and check your formula part at grade 6. As you can see, everything is done completely. Now I can find the total. Very simple at grade 6. I will give a chance to talk. I know you will have questions. Now let's go to page 52. How can I bring the total? Normally addition in grade 6. Simple addition. D4 plus E4. 600 plus the VAT E4. Okay. Plus the VAT E4. D4 plus E4. Number simple calculation in grade 6. Okay. So I may type 8. I have many messages in grade 6. Link. I send the link in the chat يا محمد ياسر. I hope you get better soon يا محمد العبد المطلب. Excuse me? I will send the link with Miss Modda. Okay, I thought you have a question to grade 6. Now I need to find the calculation. 600 plus sign shift and plus 90 equal what to grade 6? 690. Okay, so I'm gonna just use AutoFill. AutoFill. Now if I want to bring the total for everything, how much should I pay for all for the whole price? The whole total, right? Total equals 6. This is simple summation. How can I find the summation over here, grade 6? These are summations. Simple calculation of grade 6. So, how much should I pay? 1,725. That's it.